Well, welcome to 2021 school year. It is quite a different year. My name is Valerie Jaramillo and I'm the principal here at Tomasita. And I want to welcome all my students and my families. We hope you have a prosperous, great year.
Hi there, I'm Miss Angel and I'm the secretary/bookkeeper at Tomasita Elementary School. You see me in the office sometimes. I just want to say we miss you all and hope we get back to school at some time soon. Y'all stay safe, wear those masks. Right on.
I'm Karina. I'm the clerk at Tomasita, and welcome to the new school year.
I am Miss Chavez, and I teach kindergarten.
Hi there, I'm Mrs. Yaki. I work with Miss Miles in kindergarten. I just want to welcome everybody to Tomasita, and we're going to have a great year. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Madrid and I teach first grade.
Hi, I'm Ms. Tecumseh. I teach second grade.
Hi, I'm Miss Bowman and I teach second grade.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Arnold and I teach second grade.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Stevenson. You find me in my teaching corner from home. I'm teaching third and fourth grade combination, and we're doing it.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Roble and I teach gifted and enrichment room.
Hi, I'm Aaron McCash. I'm the technology teacher.
Hey, my name's Coach Clark. I'm the PE teacher.
Hi, I'm Barb. I'm the new health assistant. Welcome to Tomasita.
Hello everyone. I'm going to show you quite a few slides. I'm going to go through them fairly quickly, but if you would like to see them better or read them more, go to the Tomasita website. The link will be at the bottom of this video, so check it out. Here we go.